Man, this is nice. These are pine trees. Very strange to see around here, I think. Very surprising. There's a big pine forest. That's not good, is it? Big old tree. Big pile of nets. Oh, and a tire. Wow. These trees are huge, man. This is a national park, which means you have to pay to come here. I bought a 5-day pass. I can go to all the national parks in this area. Cost 200 baht, which is an awesome deal because these places normally cost between 200 and 400 baht each. I just wish they would do a yearly pass, and then a guy could visit as many as he wanted. It's rather expensive, one at a time. Look at the size of that tree, grown in the sand, yeah? Amazing. Look at all the tree roots coming out of the sand. They're cutting trees, not the grass, 2 of them. Oh, there's a big old tree fell down, or a part of one tree or something. Wow, looks like it got hit by lightning. And it's raining. You see the stump? It looks like it exploded. But it's raining, and no idea how far it is. We'll see. It's a crab, the same color as the sand. And he's super fast. It's a different looking snail shell he's got in it. These holes are big and very deep, can't see the bottom. You go in and turn to the right, every one I've seen, turn up the beach. And that's where those crab are coming out of. It's a big hole. And there's one every 6 feet or so. And you can see all the sand here, yeah? It came out of that hole. Oh, and I found the crab. I wonder if these small trees were planted or self-seeded. They're really close together, so probably self-seeded. Just a long line of them here, just outside the big ones. So the forest is getting bigger. and grown in sand, saltwater sand. Pretty cool. There's quite a bit of garbage on the beach, but there's a lot more in the ocean. The amount of garbage I've seen in the water is ridiculous. Mostly plastic bottles, shoes, and old fishing gear, unfortunately.
Vàขึ้นได้แหละแต่เป็นหน้าที่เราที่เพราะว่าของห้ามมาถูกเนี่ยใช่ไหมล่ะถ้าเป็นชาวบ้านบางทีเลยเรือก็อาจจะให้ไปนำทาง